everyone. My name is Terry. Welcome to TOPICA Natives pronunciation class. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to pronounce the sound ah like a native. Let's go. Now repeat after me. Ah, ah. To produce the sound ah, put your tongue low and at the back of your mouth. Then make a long voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah, ah. Now from another angle. To produce the sound ah, put your tongue low and at the back of your mouth. Then make a long voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah, ah. Now repeat after me. Ah, ah. Now, here are some words with the letter ah sound. Father, car, star, bar, large. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Father, car, bar, star, large. Great job today, class. That's everything about the sound ah. I hope you can practice every day. See you next time. Hello, everyone. My name is Terry, and welcome to TOPICA Natives pronunciation class. In this lesson, we will learn how to pronounce the sound like a native. If you're ready, let's go. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and between the back and middle of your mouth. Then make a short voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah. Now, from another angle. To produce the sound, put your tongue low between the back and middle of your mouth. Then produce a short voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah. Now, repeat after me. Now, here are some words with the sound. Cut, bug, club, much, some. Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Cut, bug, club, much, some. Now, let's practice one sentence with the sound I don't have much money with me.